Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Straight Group. Today I install Ubuntu 20.04 LTS. Press F12 or go boot menu my computer. Go legacy USB HDD. Ubuntu 20.04 LTS is latest version of Ubuntu. Ubuntu setup is very easy way. I saw how to install step by step Ubuntu. Disk checking, Control C, then cancel all files, system checking. Skip the check. Ubuntu is two-way install. One live Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. Try Ubuntu is live installation. Then you check your language, normally US, English US. We have two installation, normal and minimal. Normally install normal installation and install third-party graphics. This is something else. Something else that means select my partition area and swap and root we create. This computer is 2 disk on hard disk on SSD. I set up Ubuntu for my hard disk. So hard disk is 1 terabyte. Yes, this is SSD 256. This is a hard disk 1 terabyte. Click plus, then my RAM is 8 GB. Swap area is great 16 GB or up. This is 20 GB I create 20480. Swap area is created. Yes, now I create a root plus, then all is root. This is root. Okay, now install. This is swap area and this is root. Root is selected. Now install. Look, partition 2 is swap, partition 3 is root. Now continue. This is your location, country location. This is Bangladesh, is just mouse clicked. This is Dhaka. Now continue. Then your name, your computer name, pick a username and choose a password and password. Confirm. My name is admin. This is all relate. Your computer name admin, just PC, admin PC. Pick username is admin. Now login automatically and required my password login. This means first login totally automatically. Require my password to login means this first password press, then login. Continue my installation. Installation time 5 or 10 minutes. Ubuntu 20.04 LTS is latest version of LTS. Installation running. Installation process finish, then you open terminal, then sudo apt-get update and sudo apt-get upgrade. These two command your Ubuntu update and upgrade, then any new program or application install very easily. If any problem face Ubuntu, please write my comment box. I solution you, or any application installation problem or run problem, I create new video for you. So please my channel, like, comment, subscribe, and support my channel. I use my mobile camera, so please, um sorry all, my video is not good. Then my restart PC, installation complete, and restart my two disks. So press F12, legacy ST, two disks. So which disks I set up Ubuntu, this disk select. My installation is complete. Just automatically login, not require password. When I install anything or any application, then use password. And next, done. Now I open my terminal, sudo apt get update, then now password, sudo apt get upgrade. Upgrade time normally 15 to 20 minutes. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum. Please subscribe my channel.